Today, we've got a big job on our hands. We're doing a lawn renovation. Now we've got the best equipment for the job with the John Deere, but we need the best person for the job, and that's where my new mate KJ comes into it. Here is the problem that needs a solution. The new septic tank went in.
What I propose we do, we might just get in and shave all this down.
Yeah.
We'll get in some soil and compact it all, and we'll spread it around, get it nice and level, smooth it all out.
Well, here it is.
So we now need to have a bit of a plan for what we do now, eh?
I assume mow it.
What do you got to mow it with?
I got a John Deere.
Stop it. Have you?
I do.
You look very proud.
Very proud. How are you with hedges? I've got more jobs that need.